The coral reef biome. Coral reefs are among the world's most colorful biomes. Many beautiful plants and animals live there. Tube-shaped animals called coral polyps build up reefs over time. They grow hard skeletons and attach to those of dead corals.
Wow! The coral reef is a colorful biome. Tap the bright fish. Wow! The coral reef is a colorful biome. Tap the bright fish. Good job!
Most coral reefs lie in the warm tropics. There are three main types of tropical reefs. Fringing reefs stretch along shores. Barrier reefs are farther out. Ring-shaped atolls rise from sunken islands. The climate. Tropical coral reefs have a warm climate. The sun shines through the clear, shallow salt water. Water temperatures usually stay between 65 and 80. The climate. Tropical coral reefs have a warm climate. The sun shines through the clear, shallow salt water. Water temperatures usually stay between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 and 29 degrees Celsius. Too much wind and rain can move rocks and mud into shallow reefs. The clear water becomes cloudy. Then less sunlight reaches reef plants. This can affect the whole coral reef food chain.
Oh no! Why is the coral reef gray in this picture? The weather affects the reef. Wind blows mud over the coral and hides it from the sun.
The plants. Tiny algae grow all over warm coral reefs. The algae live inside of coral polyps. The animals and algae trade gases they need to live. Larger algae, called seaweeds, color coral reefs. Red seaweeds grow in deeper water than green ones. Their color helps them capture more sunlight.
Tap the red seaweed. You did it! Why is the seaweed red?
Meadows of seagrass often form around coral reefs. They provide animals with food to eat and nurseries for babies. Near some reefs, mangroves grow. These trees have special roots. They are able to separate water from salt. The animals. Coral reefs are full of strange creatures. Colorful bodies let many blend in with the reefs. This helps them hunt or hide. Flat animals move through tight spaces. Pointed ones protect themselves or poke their food. Other animals have suction cups to stay put.
Tap the flat animal. Great job! The stingray is flat. Tap the animal that protects itself with a pointy body. You found the sea urchin. Ouch! So spiky.
Many reef animals need one another to survive. Some offer safe places to live. Others share their food. Some fish and shrimp are cleaners. They remove dead skin and parasites from larger animals. The Great Barrier Reef.
Thanks for reading with me. Let's see what you learned about coral reefs. What temperature are coral? Hot. Warm. Good thinking. Drag all the animals that live in a coral reef
Seahorse,
to Olo.
Fish, starfish.
Yes, these animals live in a coral reef. What makes a coral reef turn gray? Gray seaweed Oops! What makes too many animals? What makes a mud can block? That's right! The coral reef needs sunlight to make all its beautiful